Happy sunny Sunday, everyone, and welcome to week 7 of Wrtg111. This week, we're continuing to explore rhetorical analysis. I've responded to all of your personal narratives, and hopefully you have carefully read my comments. I've spent a lot of time responding to your individual needs, and if you have any questions about my comments, please ask me or reply to my comment. And let me know how I can explain it more clearly. That's how you grow as a writer, is seeing how other people respond to it and learning from that response. This week, your reading revolves around analysis and synthesis. I have a chapter for you here. I keep repeating that showing that you can do high-level thinking involves analysis, and this chapter is going to help you understand what analysis is and how you do it as a writer. I've also included a link to an APA-style entry on how to cite a web page. These days, we don't cite books very often. Printed sources are often outdated, and so most of the sources you're going to cite as a scholar are going to be web-based. And so this brief explanation is going to cue you into some of the major issues with citing online sources. So notice that there are 6 different reference examples for how you would cite a web page. There's also explanation about how you include in-text citations under each of these. So be prepared to ask any questions about how you cite online sources in text or in your references page. You will find one source of information related to your rhetorical analysis this week. This will be a tool for writing your paper. I'll ask you to write a half-page summary of the source, including a full APA-style citation. I expect you're probably going to flounder with the citation. It might be really challenging. Give it your best go, and then I'll be able to show you what you did wrong and how to make your reference correct for your paper. So this is an opportunity for you to practice in a low-stakes situation and get it right for your final draft. We're also going to engage in the large group workshop. And you can find directions here. Just like we did with the personal narrative, you're all going to get together in the same document. We're going to work together to identify what the writer's doing well, what the writer can do to improve, and any questions the text brings up for you. Finally, you can find the sample paper here. It's a rhetorical analysis of the mural, The Eyes of Spinard, that I hope will give you a good example of the work that rhetorical analysis can do. So that's what we have up for week 7. Keep in mind that in week 8, we'll do the small group workshop. You'll summarize and analyze another source of information. In week 9, you'll submit a draft and engage in peer review. And then in week 10, you'll submit your final draft of the rhetorical analysis. Be sure you get the reading done before class on Wednesday, and I'll look forward to seeing you all then.